Hi, my name is Jack Eilers, and today I'm going to briefly be talking about the future of Isla Vista. So first, I'd like to briefly mention what we already do have existing today. We obviously have the communal gardens, we all have been there. We also do have the Isla Vista Food Co-op. That's been in existence for over 40 years. Here it is pictured back in 2006. Second, I'd like to add some things that I would like to see more of in Isla Vista. I think we all know by now that we all struggle with trash in the streets. I think there's a lack of both trash cans and recycle bins just all around Isla Vista. I think it would also be awesome to see composting bins included at each of the apartment complexes to encourage us to be more sustainable. Third, I'd like to add something a little bit less traditional. Pictured here is USM's first eco-friendly residence hall. They plan to be fully carbon neutral by 2040, so we can set big goals, nothing is impossible. Overall, I think we're on the move to a more sustainable future, and we're setting up our next generation of students to be more successful. Thank you.